Hi people of the earth, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys are finally up to speed. So this is what my apartment looks like. This is the living room. It's still empty because guys, this stuff, like, it's not cheap. The couches and everything, not cheap. So this is what the kitchen looks like, and I already started ordering things on Walmart and they got delivered. So as you can see, I'm already like filling everything up. It's all filled up right now though. And this is what the laundry room looks like. One thing I like about this apartment is that it's literally big. Like, there's so much more space compared to all the other options I saw before, and I'm kind of glad I didn't settle. So this is what my room looks like. My room is huge. It's the master's bedroom, and yeah, I'm really loving it. Again, I am so happy I did not settle for the other stuff I saw before seeing this room. This is what the other side of the room looks like. And now, the best part of the room, my wardrobe. Look at this walk-in closet. In fact, this is not walk-in closet. This is sleeping closet at this point because it's so big, you can literally sleep in it. And now this is the bathroom. Hold on, let me turn off the lights. This is my bathroom. I love it. Yeah, the vent comes on with the light as well because they don't want any moles growing in the bathroom from when you like take a hot shower. But other than that, I pretty much like it. I just do not like the sound, but it's honestly fine. I love the space, and yeah, I really love my apartment, guys. So another day, don't mind my hair, like I want to lose my hair in like 2 days. I'm losing my hair on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. I'm losing my hair on Thursday, so I'm literally not even paying attention to the hair, because what's the point of paying attention to something I'm literally going to lose? Anyway, I just came to, share my experience, like a little bit about my experience. So you guys know I transferred, right? And I moved from one state to another. So basically, it feels like I bought a house. It literally feels like I bought a house, because I am experiencing this whole experience just feels like I bought a house, because when I was in Alabama, like everything came with my rent, like electricity, water, Wi-Fi was free, rent, everything was just sorted out. So when I was paying, I was just paying straight up that, okay, this money I'm paying, everything is for rent, water, electricity, Wi-Fi, everything. But here, I am sorting out electricity myself. The only thing I did not sort out myself is rent and water, because like rent and water is separate, but you still pay like the same place. It's still the same like payment thingy, like at the same place. But electricity, you sort out electricity yourself. And the apartment I'm in, Wi-Fi is not free. And even the apartments around here, the ones that Wi-Fi is free, you still have to buy your own Wi-Fi router. So, but here in my apartment, Wi-Fi is not free. So I literally just sorted out Wi-Fi myself. So me sorting out electricity and sorting out Wi-Fi just makes me feel like I bought a new house. Like I'm all for independence. I'm like, if you know me, you know I'm all for that. But why do I feel like I bought a house? Because I'm sorting out this, sorting out that, like, I never thought I would ever buy Wi-Fi. I never ever thought I was going to buy Wi-Fi. At least not now. But I just literally bought Wi-Fi. I kind of like it, but it's just like, I mean, now I have an experience, so I know what to expect. If I'm moving, I know I'm going to sort out rent, water, electricity, and internet. But like, I feel like this is happening to me at such a young age. At such a young age, and it's like, wow, so this is what it feels like to actually move to like an apartment. I feel like I left my house. You know how if you're Nigerian, you know how like, people celebrate like moving out of their homes and stuff like that. I feel like that's what I feel like. I feel like that's the experience I got. But my Alabama experience was me like feeling like I relocated. But this particular experience is me feeling like I left my father's house to my own apartment. Like I literally bought a house. Anyway, this is the Wi-Fi. Xfinity. So now I'm going to set it up myself. Yeah, I've been setting up things myself. My bed frame, I did it myself. My roommate helped me like towards the end. Now you see why I feel like I literally moved from my father's place to my house. You see why I feel like this feels like I bought the house? Because I set up my bed frame myself. And then my roommate helped me at the end. And then when I'm going to buy my table, my makeup table and everything, who's going to set it up? Me. Okay, me. But my other apartment, it was already, my other apartment was furnished. It came with the bed, table, everything, table, chair. But here, the apartments are empty. So you buy your own bed frame, everything you buy yourself. And you set it up yourself, because except if you have $100 or like $60 to like $100 to be paying for someone else to put it together for you. And to be very honest, it doesn't make sense, because putting it together is not hard. It's just tedious, if that makes sense. So yeah, now you see why I feel like this experience feels like I bought a house myself, because I've literally been doing everything myself, as opposed to my former apartment where it was literally furnished. I kind of like it though. At least now I have a very good experience at this whole moving thing, so I know what to expect in future, because obviously I'm not going to stay here forever. But wow, it's giving me you're grown. It's giving me 32 vibes, and I'm not even close to 32. Okay, that's like 10 years from now. But whatever. You guys, my birthday is on Monday, and today is, what's today? Today is Tuesday. My birthday is like a week from now. Why am I talking so much? I never literally celebrate my birthday. I never celebrate my birthday. I haven't celebrated my birthday in about like 10 years. Way more than 10 years, to be honest. The last time I actually did a birthday celebration was when I was 9. But this time around, I'm not celebrating. I'm not doing a party, none of that. But I just want to like look good, take pictures, post, be happy, you know. Normally, I don't even tell people it's my birthday. People would not even know that it's my birthday. But for the first time since I was 9, I feel like it again, okay? I feel like it again. And when I see people, you know, go all out for their birthdays, celebrate their birthdays, be happy, and I'm like, oh, I need that, I need that. So now I'm getting back into it, you know? I'm getting back into it, and I kind of like it, to be honest. So maybe next year, maybe I'll do party. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? So yeah, so that's all I'll do, just take pictures and whatever. You guys will see the pictures on Instagram. You would see it before this video goes up, to be very honest. Okay, this is 6 minutes of too much talk. Bye bye. I'm setting up the shit, and yeah, bye. I don't think I'm going to show the whole birthday process. I think I'll just pop in and say, oh hi, it's my birthday. I don't think I'm going to show you guys everything, all the packages I've been buying for the birthday and everything. I'll just show you that, okay, this is that. So yeah, everything is happening all at once. School, assignments, quizzes, me moving in, me doing this, me doing that. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm happy either way, so yeah, I'm grateful. So guys, look what just arrived. I do a lot of my unboxing in my bathroom because of this marble table. I don't know, it's just nice. Anyway, look what just arrived in the mail. It's the refurbished because I need to save my coins. I'm not a big girl yet, so I got that, and I got the iWatch Series SE. So I am not with Metro anymore. I am with AT&T. Oh my god, go to TikTok to watch that, because this is just lame. Whatever, my room is a mess, but that's besides the point. I am not with Metro anymore. I am with AT&T. So I want to set them up as they're charging, and I'm going to the store today. Why am I making this video? Go to TikTok to watch the final video, okay? It should be out before this video. And follow me on TikTok, guys. I want to start posting more on TikTok. Yeah. Hi guys, it's my birthday. I never celebrate my birthday, never. The last time I had like a birthday type of thing was when I was like 9, but I felt like it this year, and here I am. I'm not really celebrating, I'm just taking pictures, to be honest. Like I said, I never celebrated my birthday. Instead, I wouldn't even tell people it was my birthday, just so that they wouldn't wish me happy birthday. But anyway, hopefully next year we have a party. But for now, I'm happy and I'm feeling myself. Okay, bye guys. I just wanted to show up and just let you guys know that it's my birthday, February 6th. The best. February is the best month. Argue with your morning breath, okay? Period. My gown is from Shein. My fake flowers, they are from Walmart. For fake flowers, these were pretty expensive. Anyway, the heels I'm wearing are from Shein, and yeah, I think this is Fashion Nova. This jewelry, actually, yes, this jewelry is Fashion Nova. This is Shein. This is from No Fat collection on Instagram. This hair, I bought it from my friend Strands and Slay. You can check out on Instagram. You guys, I got an iWatch, but the jewelry is from Shein. Like the case, the gold thingy, it's from Shein. I'm feeling myself too much. The pictures came out good in like such a short amount of time. But anyway, I feel so happy. I feel so pretty. I feel so happy and pretty. Okay, let's give it up for the body. Anyway, I was just checking in to say it's my birthday and happy birthday to me. And guys, please wish me a happy birthday in the comments if you care, and if you've not already wished me a happy birthday. I'm a fine baby. Bye guys.